going. Start us off strong. Hey.
Whoa, buddy.
Almost went with it.
You kicked us.
Up next we have Sammerz. She's really been working on her form this year and quite majestic. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
This was your idea to go.
Let's see if Mrs. Morales can recover from that terrible first ball. Here she goes. Looks like she's getting a 7. Nothing to quite celebrate, but I guess she's proud of herself. Good for her.
Did you just get a turkey? After one frame, Nolan's winning. How do you feel?
Good.
Okay, goodbye. I'm on a pretty big high right now. I just got a strike for the first time in like 6 years. Can he do it? He does. Spaya King. Spaya King.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding.
I love bowling.
Bowling, that was awesome.
The best part was when I won.
Rude.
The best part was when Sam fell down.
I didn't. Fake news, fake news, fake
The
news.
best part was when Nolan got a foul.
Yeah, that was totally the best part.
His first F ever.